Guys, we're here downtown Kitchener with some of the guys in the pizza cones. Come down, come see Ashley. She'll serve you guys up today. We got over here pizza. Come check us out, Kitchener. We got Lost Tacos over there. Right over here. Everyone in the streets coming out today. If you guys don't know what's happening, Kitchener downtown, the day just started, so we need some people. Here we go. We're right by, in between Young Street, selling these pizza cones. Oh, look at this gentleman right here, guys. He's eating a pizza cone already. Look at that, awesome. Pizza cone. Look at that, guys. Coming right down. Downtown Kitchener. Fireworks. Come get some pizza cones. They got a big Canada Day event here in Kitchener. We're right by the Royal Bank. This is the view. They got a big stage with some big fireworks that are happening tonight, guys. Oh man. Oh man. Look at this. They got everything out here. Oh man, we're just about to start. They're just about to start opening. I think the band's gonna be coming on soon. Come check it out. We'll see you guys. We're here till 11.